Are you tired of your PC running at a snail's pace? Well, fret no more. Microsoft has come to the rescue with their brand new PC Manager app. Join us in this informative YouTube video as we delve into the ins and outs of this incredible tool. From optimizing system settings to managing startup programs, we'll cover it all. Get ready to witness a remarkable transformation in your PC's performance. Boost your Windows 11 or 10 experience with PC Manager, an app available on the Microsoft Store. This powerful tool is designed to optimize your computer's performance, enhance security, and streamline system management. PC Manager offers a wide range of functionalities to keep your PC in top shape. From resolving high memory usage and freeing up space to disabling unnecessary processes and scanning for malware, this comprehensive app has got you covered. However, it's worth noting that PC Manager doesn't bring anything groundbreaking to the table. Many of its features can already be found in Windows 11 or 10. It's more like a convenient blend of the Task Manager and Settings app, providing quick access to various features and Microsoft tools. Honestly, the PC Manager app has the potential to serve as a convenient control center for the Settings app. Its standout feature is the Boost option, which enhances memory usage and removes temporary files to boost system performance without requiring a computer restart. You can download the PC Manager app for free from the Microsoft Store once it's available. After installation, you can easily find the app in the Start menu just like any other program. One thing you'll quickly realize is that you can't maximize the app, but you'll also notice that the interface is reminiscent of other Microsoft apps, featuring a convenient left side panel for accessing various tools. The homepage is packed with useful features to optimize your PC. One of the highlights is the PC Boost feature, which allows you to easily enhance your system's performance. In addition to that, you'll find shortcuts to other handy features like Health Check, Process, Deep Cleaning, and Startup. By clicking on PC Boost, you'll be able to see the current memory usage and the number of temporary files. And with just a simple click on the Boost button, unnecessary background processes will be terminated, freeing up valuable resources from memory. Not only that, but it will also delete temporary files, giving your computer a performance boost without the need to restart. Boost your system's performance with a quick health check. This handy feature identifies temporary files that can be safely deleted and highlights apps that can be disabled at startup. By doing so, you'll experience an overall improvement in your system's speed and efficiency. Additionally, if you ever want to restore your taskbar to its default configuration, simply select the System Protection option on this page. Take control of your startup apps and optimize your system by disabling unnecessary ones. Once you've made your selections, just hit the Proceed button and watch your system soar to new heights. The Security section provides a feature to run a malware check with Microsoft Defender Antivirus, which comes pre-installed on Windows 11. You can also find quick links to Windows Update and default apps for downloading updates and setting your preferred apps. In addition, the Taskbar Fix option allows you to reset the taskbar layout and disable toolbars if they are active. Moreover, the PC Manager app comes equipped with a pop-up blocker to stop unwanted pop-ups while using applications. The storage page conveniently scans your device to help you quickly free up storage space with just one click. The Find Large Files feature provides an easy way to locate and manage large files in File Explorer, along with a direct link to the Storage Sense settings. Consider this page as a simplified version of the Task Manager, giving you the ability to easily view and running processes, as well as disable startup apps. Additionally, you have the option to conveniently access the Microsoft Store and the Installed Apps page within the Settings app. On the final page, you'll find handy shortcuts to all the existing features, including the snipping tool and quick access to the screenshot folder. Moreover, you can effortlessly launch a range of apps like Sound Recorder, Captions, Notepad, Calculator, and Microsoft Edge. By enabling the toolbar, the app will conveniently place a widget on your desktop. This widget grants you instant access to the powerful Boost feature, as well as quick access to a variety of other apps. Boost your device's performance effortlessly with the Start Boost feature on the settings page. This nifty tool automatically fine-tunes your memory and clears out temporary files whenever your memory usage is high or the temporary files exceed 1 GB. Say goodbye to sluggishness and hello to smooth sailing. Apart from the PC Boost and pop-up management functions, the PC Manager doesn't offer any groundbreaking features, as everything it provides is already present in Windows 11. The repair choices simply bring back Microsoft-friendly settings, like setting Microsoft Edge as the default browser and resetting the taskbar to its original state. If you're using a computer with basic hardware, you probably won't notice much improvement with this application. Nonetheless, it could be a useful tool for those who aren't tech-savvy and want to enhance the performance of older, less powerful computers.